Hello everyone. In Python series, the next program is how to convert the image into black and white. If we have a colorful image, which is converted by the black and white by using the Python. First, I have created the folder. The original image is this one. The image which is convert into the black and white. After coding, it show black and white. The first you will have to install the library pip install below. So I have already installed the library, so it give the requirement fulfillment. Okay, the next one is the from import the library from PIL is a capital letter, then import image. It also working. Next is the I have taken the variable name img where I pass image dot open is a inbuilt. This is the inbuilt function, and pass the parameter is image dot jpg is a file image path. Okay, then next I have take new variable bw black and white where pass the im image variable name dot convert where is a parameter is l stand for the luminance, so it convert the image. Now I want to save the image, so be variable name dot save sorry image 2. I give the different name image 2. Original is image 1 and save in image 2. It's working, and now show image show. It give the warning, so you can see the image 2. This one is the image 2. It convert into black and white. Original image is this one, image 1, and after converting black and white is image 2. Okay, the next thing is same thing is using the matplotlib. So import the matplotlib dot py pl pyplot as plt, and next is the import matplotlib dot image because I want to see the image as mping. So it's working. Same is the image variable mping dot im read read the image. It also working. Now display the plt dot im show where pass the variable name img. So you can see the it give the axis of the image 0 20 40 60 and image length and width. Then plt dot exe axis I have given the off. If I give the off, that you can see the result. It give the 00100010. If I change into on, now you can see the result. It show the like this. Okay. Next the same then plt show. Next is the circuit image. You can scikit image also use for the image processing in Python. So first you will have to install the library pip install scikit uh, hyphen then image. Okay, I have already installed this. Then pass the image from sk image import io. It's working. Now the same thing is image then io input and output dot I am read the image is the image path. It also working. Now the display the image. So it display the image like this. Then okay, so it also give the image axis image is a 0 to 140 and then 0 140. So this this is the program where you can use the different module by converting the image and also access the how much the height and width of the image. Thank you.